In the quiet streets of Abbottstown, a small but persistent problem is often heard in homes: dripping faucets. This seemingly minor issue is easy to overlook, yet it can lead to the wastage of a significant amount of water, contributing to unexpectedly high water bills over time. The good news is, residents of Abbottstown don't have to face this alone. By calling 888-501-1193, you can connect with qualified plumbing professionals ready to fix those pesky leaks, ensuring your faucets are efficient and your water bills are kept in check. Don't let a dripping faucet drain your wallet or our precious water resources. Take action now. Call today and put an end to the drip.